Hey, crypto newbies! Welcome back to Simple Crypto Start, your go-to channel for making crypto easy. Ready to set up your first crypto wallet? Today, we're diving into our practical guide series with a step-by-step MetaMask tutorial, the perfect wallet for beginners. MetaMask is free, secure, and lets you store Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join thousands of beginners mastering crypto. Let's break down how to set up your MetaMask wallet in 5 simple steps. Stick around and I'll share tips to keep your crypto safe. Step 1. Download MetaMask safely. Think of MetaMask as your digital wallet. It's like a bank account for your crypto, but you control it. Go to the official MetaMask website at MetaMask.io. Never use random links from Google or social media to avoid scams. Download the browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, or get the mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. For example, on Chrome, click Add to Chrome and pin the Fox icon to your toolbar. This takes just a minute and ensures you're using the real MetaMask. Pro tip: bookmark MetaMask.io to stay safe. Ready for step 2? Let's go. Oh, and comment below. Are you using MetaMask on mobile or desktop? Step 2. Create your wallet. Once MetaMask is installed, click the Fox icon or open the app. You'll see a Get Started button. Click it. Choose Create a Wallet to set up a new one. MetaMask will ask you to create a strong password. Use at least 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols. This password unlocks your wallet, so don't reuse one from another site. Next, MetaMask shows a short video about wallet security. Watch it for key tips. You'll also agree to their terms of use. This step is quick, like signing up for an app, and sets up your wallet's foundation. For example, I set mine up in under 3 minutes. If this is helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Step 3. Secure your secret recovery phrase. This is the most important step. Don't skip it. MetaMask gives you a 12-word secret recovery phrase like a master key to your wallet. If you lose access to your device, this phrase recovers your crypto, so keep it safe. Click to reveal the phrase, write it down on paper, not your computer, and store it somewhere secure, like a safe or locked drawer. Never save it digitally or share it with anyone, as scammers can steal your funds. For example, I keep mine in a notebook hidden at home. MetaMask will ask you to confirm the phrase by selecting the words in order, ensuring you've got it right. Done? You're halfway there. Subscribe to Simple Crypto Start and hit the bell for the next steps. Step 4. Connect to a blockchain network. Your MetaMask wallet is ready, but it needs to connect to a blockchain to hold crypto. By default, MetaMask connects to Ethereum's main network, which supports Ethereum and tokens like USDT. For Bitcoin, you'll need a network like Binance Smart Chain or a wrapped Bitcoin token. Don't worry, it's simple. In MetaMask, click the network drop-down at the top. It says Ethereum Mainnet. For Bitcoin, add a custom network like Binance Smart Chain by copying settings from their official site. This takes a few clicks and lets you store multiple cryptos. For example, I added Binance Smart Chain in 2 minutes to hold wrapped Bitcoin. Want to learn how to buy crypto next? Check our last video, How to Buy Your First Bitcoin, and subscribe for more. Step 5. Fund and manage your wallet. Now, let's get crypto into your MetaMask. You can transfer Bitcoin or other coins from an exchange like Coinbase or Binance. In MetaMask, copy your wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers like a digital bank account. Go to your exchange, select Withdraw, paste your MetaMask address, and send a small amount like $20 to test. Always double-check the address. Mistakes are irreversible. Transactions take a few minutes depending on the blockchain. Once funded, MetaMask shows your balance. You can also explore DeFi apps or NFTs directly in MetaMask's browser. For example, I sent $50 in Ethereum to my wallet to try a DeFi app. If this is exciting, like this video and comment, what crypto will you store in MetaMask? Let's recap the 5 steps. Download MetaMask safely, create your wallet, secure your secret recovery phrase, connect to a blockchain, and fund your wallet. You're now a Crypto Wallet Pro. This is part of our Practical Guides series, so don't miss our next videos: how to buy your first Bitcoin, and how to spot crypto scams and stay safe. Subscribe now, hit the bell, and join Simple Crypto Start to make crypto simple. Check the description for trusted links like MetaMask's official site and Coinbase for buying crypto. Want to support us? Share this video with a friend curious about crypto. Comment below, what's your biggest wallet question? I'll answer as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and let's keep your crypto journey safe and easy.